Good morning, class. Welcome to St. Peter's School. So this is your science class, and in previous class we were discussing with the chapter number two, health and disease. So all the students are requested to take out your books and keep in front of you. Okay. Take out page number 9. Okay. All the students are requested to take out page number 9. We have already covered the topic of infectious disease. What are the infectious disease? Malaria, dengue, these all are the infectious disease, and some assignments I have also given you regarding this only. So today we are going to start with a new topic, that is infection through animal. So you can see here some questions are written here. Which measures are taken at your home to control the rats? Why is it necessary to care about the health of domestic dogs, cats, and birds? Is there any relation between pigeons, stray animals, and the human health? And what are the effects of rat, cockroaches on the human health? So, okay, so first question is saying that do you use any like measures to control the control the rat at your home? We all know that it's very dangerous to have a rat on your house because it used to like bite very like all the things in your house. So we all used to take measures for the rat. Okay, why it is necessary to care about health of domestic dog and cat and bird? Yes, it is very necessary to take a health care of the domestic whatever you kept in your house, because for the two reason. First of all, as you are keeping some living organisms that it is your responsibility to take care of them first. And second, you are not aware of the disease which might be happens to the animals, and it might cause infection to you also. So in regular touch with the doctor, you will come to know about all this. Third one is there any relation between pigeons, stray animals, and human health? Okay, so we'll discuss. Yes, most of the people used to say that it is not good to have pigeon at your house. Might be it cause cancer or something. Or stray animals, we should be away from the stray animals because they are always they are going. They used to eat roadside foods, and that is very bad for us. Might be we will get infection from them. What are the effects of rat cockroaches on your human health? So is there any infection with the rat cockroaches to you? Yes, definitely. And that if there will be a lot more cockroaches in your house, it will be harmful for you, because again they crawl everywhere in your house, and at the same time they used to crawl in your food, so your food will be get infected. So now move to the video. You will see that infections through animals written here. It occurs due to the bite of infected animals. Okay, so when might be we will suffer from the infection of animal when the animals bite, animals will bite us, then might be we will get infected. Rabies. Rabies is a type of disease which usually occurs due to the animal only. And which animal? This is a viral disease. It occurs due to the bite of infected dog, rabbit, monkey, cat, etc. So these all animals and more animals are there. When they will bite you, you might be suffer from the disease that is called rabies. Virus enters the brain via neurons. Rabies is a fatal disease. Okay, fatal disease means you can say that non-controllable disease, or you can say controllable disease, that is called fatal disease. Symptoms are fever for 2 to 12 weeks. What will be the symptom when you will suffer from rabies? You will have fever for 2 to 12 weeks. Exaggeration in behavior. Okay, hydrophobia. Okay, so there is also effect on your behavior. And hydrophobia, as it enters into the neurons, right? It enters into the brain, so might be it also infect our brain. Hydrophobia means might be you are having a phobia of water. So prevention, however, fatality can be prevented by timely vaccination before onset of symptoms. Start to appear within 90 to 175 days of a dog bite. Okay. when the symptoms can be start, symptoms starts to appear within 90 to 175 days. Okay, so instantly there is instantly there is no, might be there is a no change in behavior, but you might suppose a bike dog has bitten you and you have not taken any injection, and you thought, oh, I'm not having any symptoms, but might be you will be infected for the 90 days. Might be symptoms will come after the 88 days or 89 days. So be always careful for that. Whenever you have a dog bite, cat bite, any animals bite, just go for the like a referred injection for them, and always take injection if such type of accident occurs with you. Okay. So this type of disease is called the infection through animals, because this is caused due to only animals bite. Okay. And this is written here, rabies is a fatal disease. So you can also understand like this, like it might cause death also. Sometimes what happens, sometimes people also dies. Why they dies? Because they, it is written here, exaggeration in behavior. It means might be your behavior will change, and you might do some very बहुत ही like aggression activity, and might be it cause death to you. So and be very be careful with all the stray animals, and stay away from the stray animals. Okay, now we'll discuss about the non-infectious disease. As we already discussed about the infectious disease, now we will discuss about the non-infectious disease. So there are some disease which is non-infectious, which is not caused by the infection. For example, infection क्या होता है? When we will come in contact of that person which is having the same already disease, and might be we will also suffer from the same disease. That is called infectious disease. But non-infectious disease are those diseases, the suppose the person is having like a specific type of disease, and we will touch that person, or we will come in contact of that person, but we will not get any infection from that person. We will not suffer any such type of disease. So, what are the example of non-infectious disease? Cancer, diabetes, hypertension, and heart disease. These all are disease which is non-infection. If you will come in contact of the person having heart disease, you will not get infected, and you will not have a heart disease as this in the same manner. So, disease which do not occur through the infection and body contacts are called as non-infectious disease. Such disease arise in a human body itself due to certain reasons. Cancer, diabetes, hypertension, heart disease are the disease which is non-infectious. So first of all, we will look up to the cancer. Uncontrolled and abnormal cell growth is called as a cancer. Cancer क्या होता है? Nothing. It's a there is uncontrolled and abnormal cell growth. मतलब एक जगह it's like a tumor, you can say कि prolif the term it's called prolif sorry, it's okay. You understand like this, like this a continuous increase in the number of cell, and later on what happens, these cells collect at one place and make a tumor, and that is called cancer. Cancer cause anywhere, might be is a lung cancer, might be it's a throat cancer. Okay, so group or the lump of cancer cells is called malignant tumor. Okay, so this you can see here, malignant tumor, it's written here. Cancer can occur in a various organs like lungs, mouth, tongue, stomach, breast, uterus, skin tissue like blood. Okay, so cancer might occur in the your lungs, or in your mouth, tongue, stomach, breast, uterus, किसी के भी कहीं किसी भी पार्ट में कैंसर स्टार्ट हो सकता है. प्रोलिफरेटिव लेयर को प्रोलिफरेटिव जो इंक्रीज होता है ना सेल नंबर में, दैट इज कॉल्ड कैंसर. Okay, so it suddenly happens. There's no like any specific reason still find behind it, ki why it is why it happens. But yes, if the person is having cancer, and if you will living with that person, it doesn't means that you will also suffer from the same disease. Reasons: consumption of tobacco, gutka, smoking, alcoholism, lack of fiber content. Okay, so it's not like that ki कि इन्हीं वजह से होता है कैंसर, बट इट इज एज्यूम दैट कंजम्पशन ऑफ tobacco, गुटखा एंड स्मोकिंग alcoholism, lack of fiber content may cause the cancer. Fruits and leafy vegetables in food, excessive consumption of junk food are some of the many possible reasons. Hereditary may also be a reason. So it might be hereditary, but it's not an infected disease. Okay, it might cause due to pizza, burger also. So try to avoid more and more junk food. Okay, try to add fruits and vegetables, but not too leafy vegetables. बहुत ज़्यादा leafy vegetables भी नहीं. Hereditary may also be a reason. Okay. Symptoms are chronic cough, hoarse voice, difficulty in swallowing, incurable scar and inflammation, lumps in breast, and unexplained weight loss. So, what are the symptoms of this? Chronic cough, hoarse voice, difficulty in swallowing. So this is also not a definite symptom. It is not necessary that the person is certainly having chronic cough, hoarse voice, difficulty in swallowing. Some different person are having different types of symptoms. Incurable scar and inflammation. You will see दाग देखोगे या फिर some types of you can see lines or something anywhere on the body or swelling in the body might be show that then after that when you will go for checkup might be it is like a cancer, lumps in a breast and unexplained weight loss, so might be there is a continuous weight loss in your body. So any symptoms will appear in the case of cancer. So it is not defined कि ऐसा ही होता है, but it is assumed that this is the reason behind it and these are the symptoms occurs in most of the persons suffering from cancer. So in next class we'll discuss about the more topics, that is one more non-infectious disease like what are the hypertension, what is the diabetes, and what is the obesity, lack of physical exercise. So we will study about all this. Till the time what you are going to do, just read all the chapter, finish your chapter with the reading, and keep revising all the points which you were already studied. So till the time, take care and bye.